Okay, I'll start by showing the battery voltages each to start with. So this non-working ESC draws a little bit of a load. You can tell when you connect it on, but the light doesn't come on. You can hear that little bit of power draw. I suspect it's heating up, but the light's not coming on, and it's got that bad wire. So we've got the two wires connected here, the Y cable, and we'll check what the voltage is on this connected together. We'll check all three combinations. .77. Basically nothing across that one. And 14.77 across those two. So from the middle to either side, 14.77. It's supposed to be 6. Doesn't make any difference with the cable connected. And of course, it's still not going to work on the radio. Nothing happens because I think this thing's dead. Okay.